Hey everybody, Muriel here with my project share. I wanted to go ahead and finish this up and show you guys what I've been doing in the craft room. As I mentioned on my other video, I made a gift basket for a fundraiser we had at work. And it sold. I put a bid of $25 and I think it sold for $45, which is pretty nice. But I wanted to come home and make myself one, and this is what it is. It's like this lemonade caddy, but it's all decorated and altered with the papers from Hello Summer by Lori Whitlock. So you can find the tutorial on this, and I'll link it down below. It's on my Butterfly Kisses 12 channel, Arlene. Hi Arlene, if you're watching. And she shows you how to do it. Although hers is a little different, I want it to be different as well. So I didn't do the umbrellas on top of my straws. Instead, I am using these rosettes. And I picked these up at Tuesday morning some time ago. They are it's called Summer Fun mini paper rosettes, and they are by Echo Park. So you get 4 rosettes, and the 3 are here, and then you get this one here with just a polka dot center. So again, this I picked up at this jar caddy. I picked this up at Michael's about a week and a half ago. All summer stuff is there. It's on clearance, so I probably got this one for $5. I'm sure it was, or $8.99, maybe 50% off. But it's just a mason jar, and you know, you don't have to buy this. You can buy mason jars for $1 at the Goodwill, right? So I basically just put some paper on it, some of the stickers. I did take Arlene's advice, and I put some matte finish what is that called? Mod Podge, excuse me, on this, so that if the water or the drink, a little bit of liquid get on it, it doesn't just absorb it. So it should roll off. So again, really simple. I didn't want to add any dimensional embellishments to the outside because it won't be able to get back in this caddy. But you can see the rosette, and you know, you still can stick a straw in there and then have this just poking out. But I can't wait to use well, actually, I'm not going to use it. I decided I was going to give it away. But I can't wait till the person I give it to uses it. I think they will get a kick out of it. Especially they have a summer home and it's really hot where they live at. So here's another one with a sticker. Just chilling, just chilling, just chilling. Okay, the paper that goes around is 2 inches by 11, but again, I will include her link down below, and you can get the exact dimensions. And if you want to make the rosette, the umbrella, she has the tutorial for that too. So really, I think it's just fun. I can't wait to, you know, it's starting to get warm out, but it's not hot. And I think this would be so cool to fill it with ice cubes. Put your favorite lemonade in it. If you have alcoholic lemonade drink, do that too. So these rosettes are adorable. And on the back of the rosettes, I have these lemons. And these are from Recollections. I have had this for so long. But it's this sticker, dimensional sticker sheet, and the 3 lemons were right there. So I'm still going to be using this to make a card this summer because it's been in my stash for way too long. So that's the one project that I made, you guys. I forgot to just stick these just like this, and these are just some straws that was in my stash. They're Easter eggs, but you can't tell. They just look so cute and summery. So that's my, you know, lemonade caddy that I altered. And here are the cards that I finally finished, and I made some envelopes too because I just love making my own envelopes. And the paper I'm using for the envelopes was some paper I had in my stash, with the exception of this one. This one is by Echo Park, Hello Summer by Lori Whitlock, but the rest of them are from Stampin' Up. So there's the card in its entirety finished, and of course the insides are on this one is not done. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we will keep it moving here. We will get that one done. I thought I did all of them. Well, here's this one here. I thought this one came out really cute. I took a Fiskars punch, a heart, and punched it in his cap and his trunks. So that's how it is. I'm using the cut apart cards from the collection as my journaling spot. Really, really easy. And this beautiful paper here with the Hawaiian leaves on it. The inside has a polka dot. Okay, this one here says I love summer, and it has these big die cut shapes of fruit. And I'm using the clear sequence on them. And the inside looks like that. I added 2 little flags here, and I can do my messaging there. And this paper, again, with some beautiful palm trees and striped inside. I didn't want to use from a collection because then that takes away from that paper collection. And if I ever need something to make in that collection and the paper was missing, it wouldn't be good. So I was glad I had this in my stash. Here's the other one. Says, I dream of summers that last forever. So cute. The inside looks like that. Again, I just used that entire pack. So there's no more left to this collection. And this paper here has this pattern on the inside and just the blue and white polka dots. Fun. And these will be mailed as is. I'm just going to put a label on them and make sure that the tape is secure. This one here I love with this vellum hat and this cute one piece. And then it says pool pass. And then there's the inside journaling card. Journaling cards are so, if you don't use them for anything else, use them as your for the inside of your cards, because Lisa gives you a design with it, right? And then here is the one that I couldn't find before that I knew I made 6 cards. Has these cute flip-flops, and I raised this one up on some dimensional stickers. And then these are raised up to these cute glasses. And it says, it's a flip-flop kind of day. Of course, the background is clouds. Isn't that just cute? Well, sometimes when it's cloudy, the sun is still beaming and it's hot, right? And there's the inside of that card, and just 2 little stickers there. And then this beautiful paper has this green floral on the inside, and then those Hawaiian flowers on the outside. So glad those are done. I am just talking my way right to summer. I'm glad that it's on its way. And here is the one sheet that I have left from the collection. I don't know what I'll be doing with that, but that's okay. So that was my caddy, and those are my cards. And then I did make, I was doing my felt thing, oh my goodness, for so long. So I made this one here. This, of course, has a beach theme to it too, my memo pad. This is a cut apart from another Recollections paper pad that I used last year. It just says, believe you can, and you are halfway there. These are some push pins from Michaels, and they got that coral color. And this here is a charm that I attached, and it's from Hobby Lobby. Comes in a pack of 2. And then these are just some flowers I've been playing with. I've been practicing my flowers. These are some burlap canvas leaves that have that Hawaiian look, that beach look. I got those at Michael's long time ago. And then under here are some seashells, and I have them kind of tucked in. And you guys, I got these seashells at... I thought I picked them up at Michael's. Let me show them to you because I have never seen them before. Or did I get them at Tuesday morning? No, I think they were from Michael's. But they come in this cute little jar. No, not Tuesday morning, not even Michael's. I'm sorry. These are from the Dollar Tree. That's why I was so shocked. These are from the Dollar Tree, and there's 4 different kind of shells. So these are one type, right? Just the little flat ones. And then they had these type. I can't find my cork for this one. They had these type. And then they had 2 other ones from the Dollar Tree. Okay? So I have another one tucked right there, and then right there. And then on the back, this is just some rope that I got from Michael's. I keep it in my nautical box. So I have it glued on the back, nothing fancy, but that's what I'm going to be sending to a friend as well. So it's just whole outdoor beach summer theme. Okay. And then from Joann's, I ordered me finally a pair of these scissors. These are supposedly like the best, especially when you're cutting felt. And I really going to make these my bona fide felt cutting scissors. They are by Ginger. I think that's the name of them. I got them 50% off, so they're normally like $52 or more. and depending on the size. So I got these for 50% off at Joann, so they finally came in the mail. I am so excited about using those. And then I did that small Hobby Lobby haul. Oh, and the ribbons, the rest of them are over here. So let me get them and show you really quick. Not a lot of shopping, you know, maybe a lot of visits, but not a lot of purchases, shall I say, because I just don't need that much, right? But I did get this one. I love this trim because you can put something down the center, and then, you know, these little flowers can show on the outside. And then I got these 3 creams. And this is when Hobby Lobby's trim was 50% off, so you know I didn't pay anything for them. And I did pick up, my goodness, 2 pairs of scissors, right? These were down to $3, just some Scotch scissors. Because I have lots of scissors, but you know, I need to find a place where I can get my scissors sharpened. Because once they get dull, they're just no fun to use, right? So then we keep buying more scissors. And then these were Hobby Lobby for $1.24. You're familiar with these. They are the Paper Studio Precision Tip Scissors. So got those. And oh, here's another trim. I know I bought 2 of the same kind. Actually, this is these were 99 cents. Excuse me, from Hobby Lobby. Yeah. So these were 99 cents, so that's not bad at all. And then I got 2 of these. They were $1.74, some wire edge ribbon. And I'm trying to build up my sister's stash. She's going to be visiting me here in August. She loves making wreaths. I just sent her 6 wreaths that I bought from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago. They were 99 cents. They were the 24-inch wreath. So she's going to be excited about that. I did pick up some craft doilies, just some tan ones. And then I think that was it. And then I think Tuesday morning I picked up just a pack of these cork hearts, and they have some gold flicks through them. Really pretty. And 2 stamps. 2 dies, excuse me. I got this one here, which is a corner die, which looks like it's going to be really cute. I didn't cut it out to show you. I'm so sorry, but when I do use it, I will reference it again. And then this Christmas one, which was like bomb.com, right? So when I start making my tags, this is going to be really, really pretty. So that was it, you guys. That was my haul. That was my projects. That was my few shopping things. So I am so happy with finishing that summer stuff. I'm still looking for my next project. I'm looking at it now. It's on the table, but I still have not figured out how I'm going to alter it. So as soon as I do, I will definitely let you guys know. But I appreciate you. I am like really, subscribers are just like growing. And I'm getting really excited because I've always just wanted to make that 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So I can't not wait for that to happen. And then I got one more thing that I wanted to show you guys. And this is just, I don't know. So I put this on my channel a couple of videos ago that I have one more pack of ribbon flowers, right, for $20. And this girl texted me and said, I want them please, right? So I emailed her back and said, okay, here's my PayPal account. And I never heard from her. So I don't know what's going on. You know, things happen in people's lives, but this is still here. And, you know, I needed these little white ones, and I was going to open it up and say, forget it. But I just go, no, don't, just try one more time. So I'm just going to try one more time. And if you're interested, again, $20 shipped, PayPal only, US only. And you know, if you're serious, don't say you want them please and then I don't hear from you again. That's not right. It's just not right. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I'm sure I will be coming back with another video pretty soon, and until then, you guys take care. Bye now.